Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the play button is not working whenever you are trying to play on the League of Legends and how you can fix this up. So let me directly get into this step. So right now, first what you need to do is, in order to fix the issue, we just need to go over here, either search for the task manager and click on the task manager right now over here, and go over here at the top, and you have to click on the details over here. And right now, if you find anything that is related to the League of Legends, what you need to do is you just need to remove it, or you have to end the task of it. So right now, even if I scroll down, I can not see anything related to the League of Legends here, which means we are fine with it. But if you are finding anything related to the League of Legends is running over here in the background, for example, League of Legends.exe, like the Chrome exe, you have to right click on the League of Legends and go for end the task, and you have to remove everything related to League of Legends, as well as if you find anything related to the Riot client. So search for League of Legends like this. So League of Legends is not here, or you can search for the Riot client.exe. So right now you can see the Riot client.exe is running. So right click over here and go for end the task, and you have to remove it. So go for end the task for over here. The service.exe should be also removed as well. Go for end process. So it should be removed. And once afterwards, we need to move to the next step. Next step is all about what we need to do. After this, we need to launch the Riot client once again. Most probably after this, if you try to log in back, the issue will be completely fixed up. So this is actually not a permanent fix. This is just an alternative fix you can try out. I'm not saying this is an original fix, but you can try this out. It will work for many users. Now we need to sign in with your Google account, and you have to check. That's what it is. I hope this video is helpful. See you soon next video. Bye.